Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the minimal essentials, Python 3, 8 or newer, and a text editor. Once done, pick Tkinter for no extra installs or Simple GUI if you want a simpler wrapper. Now create app. Py and write, import Tkinter as tk, root equals tk. tk. At this point, you already have a Windows skeleton, make sure to call root. Main loop, so the GUI appears. This first step gets you a running window quickly and proves your environment works. Next, you flesh out the interface. Add buttons, labels, and entry fields to capture input. Use grid when you need columns and rows, or pack for quick vertical stacks. Place only when you must control exact coordinates. Define callback functions that run on button presses and bind events for keyboard or mouse. Use string var or int var to link widget state and make updates reflect immediately. Once widgets and callbacks are wired, test each interaction to confirm behavior. Finish by polishing layout, using TTK for modern widgets and adjusting fonts, padding, and colors for clarity. When ready to distribute, package with pinstaller and test the single executable on the target OS. Also organize code into a main and classes to keep logic maintainable. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: if the window doesn't show or freezes, make sure root. Main loop runs in the main thread, and you're not blocking the event loop with long-running tasks. Offload those to threads or a sync call.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.